Hi everyone, and I am currently on the field right now, and what I want to do today is make a little blog for you guys to see how I'm doing. And obviously my stuff is in here, and I wanted to talk to you guys about how I'm feeling and just everything that's been going on. So it's been really tough for me, like really tough. So I am currently outside and it is really nice out, and there's some cars coming by, and I wanted to talk to everyone about how I'm doing. And first off, I'm kind of doing all right. It's just that I've been going through a lot of grief. And the grief is that my mom unfortunately passed away. And she was a very nice lady, but she was very toxic to me sometimes. And it kind of felt like I was kind of violated when I was around with her. And it's just, you know, a mom loves you, and my mom obviously did care about me. And I don't want to get into some of the personal stuff, but I can tell you a little bit, but not too on the personal stuff. Many of you guys know me from Facebook that I announced the news that my mom passed away from a brain aneurysm. If you don't know what an aneurysm is, it's technically internal bleeding, but since it's a brain aneurysm, she had massive bleeding in the brain. And it was very unexpected to find that out, and it's been really tough. And second thing is regarding to drama at my school, and there's a lot of negative and mean people over there, and it's really frustrating and very hard to deal with. But I've been getting a lot of support from my dad and people that work there. They've been all very supportive, and I'm happy that I am able to have that support and ask for help when I need it. And I do want to do something very special for you guys. I'm actually going to be heading a little further ways to photograph some birds at a feeder for you guys, and I hope that will just calm the spirits out of everyone, because the world is just going through hell right now, and it's kind of funny, and I do want to photograph them. So I'm going to walk on the other side of the street and photograph the birds with my Panasonic Lumix camera. So I am currently walking over, and it's just across the street over there to the bird feeders, and there's a lot of species of birds that I will mention to everyone, unless for people who are not entirely bird enthusiasts, well, bird watching enthusiasts. And yeah, and I'm going to be pointing out many different birds and their features, and I am a very strong expert at identifying many species of birds around Vermont and other New England states. And I just have to cross the street, and I'll record once I get over there. So see you guys in a bit. So I am at the place where the birds like to come and feed, and I'm going to switch to my camera very soon. And actually these people that live here are very nice and don't mind me literally going onto their property to photograph the birds. So I'm going to switch to my camera in just a second and photograph all these passerine birds. So here I am with my camera, and I'm going to zoom in on this small bird feeder right here, the blue one that's over here, and I'm sitting behind a tree so I look less suspicious, and we're going to zoom in on this bird feeder right here. And we have this amazing bird feeder, and we have a tuft titmouse right here picking some seeds. And we have some American goldfinches, non-breeding males. And I love the goldfinches a lot. And I'm aiming my camera at the goldfinches, and the one that just walked by are the resident black-capped chickadees. And they are very common, and you can see the goldfinches and the chickadees kind of going at it. And now it's kind of goldfinch land. And there's a tuft titmouse right there. And I'm going to focus on this feeder for a little bit, and then I'm going to switch to the other one that's nearby. So I'm going to, sorry about the shaking, gonna keep my eye on it and wait for a bird to come. Black-capped chickadee right there. Another goldfinch. That's pretty cool. Ooh, another titmouse. I am now focusing on this feeder right here. Another black-capped chickadee, of course. Oh, woodpecker. It's a woodpecker on the branch. Can't really see it. So we're gonna aim at the bird feeder again. I can hear some Canada geese honking in the background. It's another chickadee. More chickadees. Oh, another titmouse. Way out in the distance, these are Canada geese flying north, and I'm happy to get this flock of Canada geese on video. And that's really, really cool. Sorry about the cars, they're kind of loud. Here we have a downy female woodpecker, and it kind of flew off. And downy woodpeckers are the smallest species of woodpeckers that live in Vermont, and I can tell it's a female because it doesn't have the red hat. And hopefully I can find a male downy woodpecker to... Here's a woodpecker just chilling out. It's another downy woodpecker. Just chilling out on the branch right there. It's pretty cool. Here's another downy woodpecker just chilling on the tree right here. It's pretty cool. Here we have an American tree sparrow just kind of foraging along the ground. Here's another bird I'd like to mention. The one that just flew, that is a dark-eyed junco. While I was walking back, I do want to include some of the birds that haven't been seen in the video, and I'll put the images right on the screen for you. Really hope you enjoyed my personal / bird vlog, and there are some birds that haven't been seen in the video but have been seen on the feeders, and these birds are the white-breasted nuthatch, eastern bluebirds, other cardinals, female cardinals, and many, many more. And those are the birds I usually see all the time on the feeders, and it's those birds that you saw in the video. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this weird vlog, and I hope everyone has a great rest of the day.